You don't need anyone. You could do it all on your own. I used to believe this, that I can do everything on my own and I didn't need anyone to help me. Well, as a man following Christ and also as a licensed loan officer, I learned that is not the case. There used to be a mentality of being an alpha male or being a solarpreneur, and I will tell you that that is actually poison. To be successful in absolutely anything, it is actually about your pack. It's about your team. Being a loan officer, I learned, I have a big piece in the puzzle of the transaction when closing a house for an individual. But there are so many other people I need to make this work. First of all, we need the realtor to help the person go look for a house, put it on the contract. We need my loan processor that keeps everything together, organizing, ordering insurance, ordering title. We need our underwriter to make sure we're not missing absolutely nothing, that they're looking for the best interest for all parties and being very particular about every little detail, so on and so forth. So I challenge you to change your mindset and realize you're stronger with than without.